Hello, hello. This is Alice Hyde, your realtor at Coldwell Banker Realty. I just wanted to send a quick message to say thank you so much for coming to my open house. It means so much to me to meet new people in the process of buying their new home. It's always so exciting for me as a realtor to see families finding their dream home. And it would be my absolute pleasure to work with you and your family as well. The process of buying a home can be a little bit tricky and overwhelming, especially in this market. Um, and especially when it comes to those properties that are high quality and great prices and great deals. Um, my job for all of my clients is to get them in first. And it's very tricky with your schedule, having a full-time job or your other responsibilities to be out there looking at these properties. And I try to take away that burden from my clients. I am not your typical realtor that will just send you 50 listings and make you look over them and make you decide. I try to make the process a lot less stressful. And the first step is to meet with me at my office. I have several locations, so depending on where you live, we can set up whatever is closest and most convenient to you and your family. And we can meet and discuss what are your needs, what are your wants, and what are your dreams. And I can get to know what it is that you are looking for, what are your tastes, and with that, we can then develop a trust. And I can go out there and look at these properties that fit these criteria and make sure that it would be a good fit for you. Again, as a full-time realtor, that is my job to go out there and view these properties even before they hit the market on most occasions at brokers opens, making sure that I understand the environment that you are trying to live in. And that makes the process so much easier for all of my clients. And they really appreciate that because once I find that diamond that they're looking for and I bring them to that property, it's such a relief. It's such a smoother process. And we get the negotiation done a lot smoother because we were there first. So, with that said, I would love to do that for you and your family. Let's set up a meeting. I hope I hear from you soon. You can text me or call me or email me, whatever is most convenient for you. But I hope you have a fantastic day. And once again, it was my pleasure meeting you, and I hope we work together. Take care.